Oh, so biking here. And I got this strange sound. Doesn't hear much now, but yeah. It's only when I pedal. And when I run the motor, it's nothing. So you can hear it even if I'm not enable it. So this is the bike. It's Tongsheng TSDZ2, and yeah, only 230 kilometers, and the sound is starting to crack. But nothing when you turn it backwards. It's a bit wobbly, but I've heard they are like this. Well, you hear it, right? Let's see if I can tighten it. Okay, here we have it. It's loose. Maybe it's this. Let's see if I can tighten this a bit more. So need to remove this or this to tighten it. Yeah, I know I can use tightener and so on, but I didn't know. Let's put it back together. Okay, let's take it for a spin. So I believe it fixed it. Can't hear anything now. So if you got some kind of grinding noise, check that out. So I found a wall here so we can hide the wind, and of course we got a fan going down there. Anyway, this is the version I'm running right now, the version 21C2 emmebrusa variant. I think it works really good. I've also driven it on the third version, but that was you could burn the controller on that one, they said. Anyway, this is we start it up. you get a lot of, I don't know about the numbers here. It's a bit strange to me. But please comment and tell me how to change different versions and so on, or modes and so on. I know that I can double press the lamp, and I think I get a throttle. Otherwise it doesn't work. So I get off the street version. Better this way. Anyway, I think this Tongsheng, since I fixed this, yeah, it's working good. Okay, I'm gonna tramp now. And if you have seen my previous videos, I made a video where I put some heat pads, but it wasn't this one. And now I remember, it was the other bike. But this is not hot. But I have not ridden it much. But this is not hot. Okay, so I think I will end the video here. It was a success. The sound I got rid of the bad noise, so it isn't trash, this Tongsheng so far. As I said, it's pretty new, but it's working great so far. I recommend it. I have a Bafang BBS02 also, but I prefer this one. Feels more like a bike. So I will buy Tongsheng instead of Bafang, if you want to know my opinion. I bought another one. I bought two of these to one of my other bikes. So if you got something out of this, please hit the thumbs up, like button, and subscribe for more content. I have a mix different kind of stuff on my channel. Anything goes, but subscribe and you might get some more of this Tongsheng things. Okay, bye bye.